Hi friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Vivo V25 versus Realme 9 Pro Plus with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price. And are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Vivo V25 has a 6.44 inches screen, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus has a 6.4 inches screen. If you look at the display type, both phones comes with an Amoled display. In the resolution, both phones comes with a Full HD Plus resolution. Vivo V25 has a 409 pixels density, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus has a 411 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen-to-body ratio, Vivo V25 has 84.7% and Realme 9 Pro Plus has 84.21%. In a refresh rate comparison, both phones supports up to 90 Hz higher refresh rate. In a display protection, Vivo V25 comes with short sensation display protection, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Vivo V25 has 159.2 mm, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus has 160.2 mm. Vivo V25 has 74.2 mm in the width, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus has 73.3 mm width. Vivo V25 has 7.79 mm in the thickness, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus has 7.99 mm thickness. Looking at these two phones' weight, Vivo V25 has 186 grams, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus has 182 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Vivo V25 comes with two different colors, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with three different colors. And now let us compare about the camera and its features. Vivo V25 has a triple camera setup, including a 64 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. While the Realme 9 Pro Plus has a triple camera setup, including a 50 megapixels primary lens with OIS support, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Vivo V25 supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps, and the Realme 9 Pro Plus also supports up to 4K resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, Vivo V25 comes with a 50 megapixel selfie camera, with a 4K video resolution at 30 fps, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Vivo V25 powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, whereas the Realme 9 Pro Plus powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Vivo V25 supports up to octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus supports up to octa-core 2.5 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Vivo V25 comes with a Mali G68 GPU, and the Realme 9 Pro Plus also comes with a Mali G68 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Vivo V25 comes with a Funtouch OS based Android 12 operating system, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a Realme UI based Android 12 operating system. Friends, let's see the storage options in these two phones. Vivo V25 comes in two variants, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB storage. Whereas the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes in three variants, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 256GB storage. Vivo V25 comes with the memory card slot, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus does not comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's check out the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Vivo V25 is 4500 mAh, and in the Realme 9 Pro Plus also has 4500 mAh. Vivo V25 supports 44 watts fast charge, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus supports 60 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Vivo V25 doesn't comes with a 3.5mm audio jack, while the Realme 9 Pro Plus comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Both these phones doesn't comes with the NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Both these phones supports 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Both these phones comes with a Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In an Antutu benchmark score comparison, Vivo V25 has scored 482,795, while Realme 9 Pro Plus has scored 505,838. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Vivo V25, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 27,999 rupees, and 12GB 256GB variant is priced at 31,999 rupees. Realme 9 Pro Plus, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 24,999 rupees, 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 26,999 rupees, and 8GB 256GB variant is priced at 28,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.